Hello, Professor Cawthorn. This is my video for week 9. Um, this week I struggled. Web scraping. I felt not that it wasn't something I wasn't ready for. It was just it definitely was a bit of a challenge to start out. I think in the future I definitely will get better at it. I definitely see the benefits of web scraping, but yeah, this week I struggled a little bit to get the data exactly that I wanted, and comprehending why I wasn't able to get that data. It was a rather confusing week, but definitely an eye-opening one. So these two tabs I have open, both of them are example programs. One having been the one that you provided us, and another one being one that was provided to us via the internet. I believe this one was the one provided via the internet, and this was the reason I named it. This is what they named it online. Just giving responses to via the HTML and the log error. That's essentially what this program was designed to do. I believe yours was rather similar. This was the MCC. The MCC program that would get the URL text, which I did get successfully, as you did in your video. And that was essentially that. And I attempted to copy it into this, where I tried to get data from 1 year of the Boston Celtics team. This one I rather struggled with. I'm not exactly sure where my code went wrong. I'll run it for you just so you can get a general idea, maybe see what exactly is happening. I do get this status code at 200. I get it twice for whatever reason. I must have the module built in, and I must have the module imported, and it ends up running twice for whatever reason. But essentially, I don't get the text file with the contained data that I want. It's ugly looking. It's not essentially what I'm looking for. I mean, it's all of this, just kind of a bunch of mumbo jumbo. I wasn't able to get it exactly the way I wanted it to, but I definitely see it as progress, and I look forward to getting better at screen scraping and learning a little bit more about it, because I know I can see how it can become useful when it comes to gathering data. And that should just about do it for my video for week 9. All right, thank you.